Hello everyone, my name is Teresia Angel Mirahanda and my student ID number is 43101010203.
Hi guys, my name is Fani Rahmalisa. My student ID number is 43101010229.
Hi guys, my name is Fani Amelia Putri and my student ID number 43119010235.
Hi guys, my name is Sarah Olia. You can call me Yara, and my study ID number is 43119010298. Today, I want to tell you about the business plan proposal made by our groups, and I will to tell you about this entrepreneurial background. Students usually feel bored, upset, restless, tired, and suddenly confused about finding a place to eat and finding a place that is cool, comfortable, meaning that it doesn't make you bored, and then Instagrammable, unique photo spot, and don't forget it's cheap for students. We open a business that is intended for all circles, both students and employees to refresh with the aim of eliminating boredom or due to the various activities that have been undertaken, and with a relaxed atmosphere accompanied by snacks and fresh drinks. It's the right moment to refresh yourself and share with friends, colleagues, consumers, partners, and others. Of the various existing products, food or culinary products are one of the most popular products for consumers, with a target market among both students or employees. My group had idea of starting a business, namely snacks for teenagers. The business that will be developed is named Cafe Nihiu, which is in the culinary business. In accordance with the lifestyle of young people who like to try new things, this next innovation can be a consideration, equipped with the feel of the place that is suitable for a gathering place for teenagers, suitable for the personality of young people who are excited and will definitely be liked by them. Based on the background above, I submit a business establishment proposal. How interesting, isn't it?
Purpose of the proposal. The objective of making this business establishment proposal are: number 1, it is major tax 1 compulsory business courses. Number 2, as an entrepreneurial initiative as a business owner opening a business. Number 3, to train students to be able to do entrepreneurship well. Number 4, to increase experience and knowledge about entrepreneurship. Benefit of the proposal. The benefit of making a business establishment proposal are: number 1, can help entrepreneur to develop business. Number 2, helping entrepreneur to think critically and objective. Number 3, help increase the success of entrepreneur. Chapter 2, general description of the business. Organization profile. Business name, Cafe Nihiu. Type of business, kuliner. And address, West Jakarta. Vision, mission, and goals. Vision, creating a business in the culinary field that is superior. Mission, provide the best quality, providing the best service, serving quality food and drink at first. Business purpose. Number 1, get the maximum benefit. Number 2, increase experience and knowledge of entrepreneurship. Number 3, releasing the ability and stability in entrepreneurship.
Okay, now I'm gonna continue to explain more about our business plan. We're talking about location now. So, our business location is located in Meruya area, and to be precise, it's around Mercubuana University, which is a strategic location. Why is that? Because we think the market target is mostly student. Next, we're gonna talk about the buildings. The buildings or area that we need to set up this business is around 150 meter with indoor and outdoor dining, parking, toilets, prayer space, and of course a kitchen where all of the rooms is combined in one building. Next, we're gonna talk about the operational time. So, on Monday to Friday, CNC operates from 12 p.m. in the evening to 12 a.m. in the morning, while on Saturdays and Sundays, CNC operates from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. in the morning. People can visit CNC during free time such as break lunch or after class, so they can do their assignments. Mostly the students from the assignments that they get from the campus or from the school. The target customers. The number of visitors is assumed to be 100 people on weekdays and 200 people on weekends. Those who come is mostly from students, university or even students from the school. But there are even workers and parents also coming to CNC. Now, in running this business, our target is include all circle of society. So we don't really have specific, and it's from which is lower class or even middle class or even from upper class. So all people are welcome. Now we're gonna talk about the product that we produce. Because we are a restaurant or you can say a cafe, our products is of course foods and drinks. If you want to know more the specific of the foods and drinks, you can check the CNC menu. There are various of foods and drinks that is very delicious, and I bet you want to taste it. We're going into chapter 3, production aspect. First of all, I'm gonna talk about the kitchen and cafe and equipment. About this equipment, I think we need such as stove, refrigerator, tables and chairs, and so on. And we assume that the total cost that we need to buy all of this equipment is about 35 millions of Indonesian rupiah. Oh, and then these facilities in CNC we provide free internet service such as Wi-Fi, so the people can access internet free. Customer can even do their assignments in CNC. It's very comfortable, and maybe you can also play online games with your friends and so on. Okay, now about the supplier. In obtaining the raw material, we do not necessarily need special supplier. Why is that? Because we buy the material directly in the market by ourselves. While using transportation, we rent some pickup car so it can brought the material that we bought to CNC Cafe.
Okay guys, based on the business proposal we made, I can conclude that we have done to plan a culinary business with an initial capital of 100 million rupiah with estimate of fixed cost of 35 million rupiah and total variable cost of 6.5 million rupiah. Then on the first day we open this business, if we success in getting 100 customers, it can be estimated that we will get a total profit of 41 million rupiah. And in here, I will give a little suggestion for other students who will to make a business proposal. Determine what kind of business you will make and which market share you will aim at. And also need to pay attention to the accuracy of the estimate cost required will be able to get a maximum profit. Thank you.